Have you ever heard of a Luba or used an underwater drone? In this video, we will look at some amazing gadgets you'll want at any age. Links with the prices are in the description. Let's go! Number 1. Luba. This is an all-in-one Wi-Fi-enabled lawn mower that's been specially designed to deliver the perfect lawn with a hands-free experience. Now you can enjoy the outdoors and have more free time to spend relaxing with your family instead of being stuck mowing the grass. Cleaning up after your lawn with more than 80 patents under its belt and a robust smart system that allows you to program virtual zones for automatic mowing just made things much easier. The smart app allows you to control the robot over the air no matter where you are. It is eco-friendly and efficient thanks to its 75-slope all-wheel drive hub motor and 4 rugged tires that avoid obstacles like tree roots and rocks, with sensors that scan the ground up to 4 meters in front of the mower with no perimeter cable. It means you can work even on long lawns without worrying about cables cluttering your space and blocking mowing access. Auto recharging and waterproof make managing your lawn easier than ever. Number 2. Underwater drone. This is the smallest, lightest, and most cost-effective underwater drone on the market. It is designed for people who want to explore and capture the beauty beneath the water. This is outfitted with a 2-inch high-resolution camera that can go as deep as 40 meters without any deterioration in quality. Compact, sleek design would be the envy of any gadget lover. 3 powerful LED lights to light your way in the darkest parts of the deep, sensors like a gyroscope, a humidity sensor, and an acceleration sensor, which allow you to navigate in optimal conditions. Its strong and durable design allows it to withstand even the toughest of conditions. Number 3. Stream Deck Mechanical Keyboard. The world's first mechanical keyboard with Stream Deck is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard with preloaded features for both streaming and gaming. Crystal clear smart trackpad display to ensure multi-gesture control for smooth, easy operation. Sound card module for clear and precise audio recording with recording software and live playback. It has automatic brightness adjustment for different work environments, even in complete darkness. 75 layout design ensures a comfortable typing experience. Number 4. Rotating Vehicle Security Guard. Keeping an eye on your car has never been so easy. This is a small discrete cam that provides a full view of your car and its surroundings from multiple angles. It has exclusive high-resolution 360 degrees full-view technology. It's been equipped with the latest AI motion detection, which enables it to seamlessly follow a car automatically. It won't stop criminals, but it will give you peace of mind and the ability to prove what happened in any dispute. Night vision and GPS enables you to never miss a thing even in pitch-dark conditions or when driving on some unknown route. Voice control lets you control this wonder camera hands-free. The detailed AI will guide you to a designated path or send alerts when you need to make a turn. Number 5. Smart Telescope. This is a very cool smart telescope powered by AI. It makes it easy for you to discover the universe with an advanced optical lens, robotic telescope mount, and a state-of-the-art mobile application for both iOS and Android. Smart Theater Late Brackets will make your toil easier by eliminating the need to manually input coordinate data initialization and calibration. It automated ensuring high accuracy at all times. 4-core CPU and 64GB storage chip provide high-speed performance. Tessa Northeast sensors ensure accurate measurements even in low-visibility situations. Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity gives you access to your data anywhere, anytime. It supports multiple charging methods for convenience. Number 6. Revopoint Mini. This is a revolutionizing way we use blue light scanners. This is the world's first precision-engineered affordable and high-precision scanner with a 0.02mm precision. This is a perfect modeling tool for professionals in fields like design, engineering, medical, and scientific research. The scanner comes with an ultra-thin 0.05mm point distance and 10 frames per second scan speed that gives you a full view of any object. The scanner is capable of high precision and high resolution scans, eliminating the need for additional lighting sources with the Bluetooth module. This gadget can be used as a laser to project content on any surface. The device only weighs 160 grams and connects with a single cable to provide all of your scanning needs. Number 7. Rollbot. This intelligent robot can auto-track your phone and follow you around without the need for a leash or remote control. With its intuitive and safe design, the robot is the perfect addition to any tech-savvy family. Let your kids have fun while you enjoy your peace of mind. This robot is the world's first intelligent rolling robot. You're not just getting a toy, it can do so much more. Its intelligent movements will help your children learn about many concepts like programming and problem solving. It also has an LED display that can show images and videos to help keep your children entertained. This robot even has voice recognition and text-to-speech capabilities, so you can really go all out with programming to your specifications. Number 8. E-Scooter. This might be the world's most advanced e-scooter, and it's already disrupting the market with the new patented design and smart technology. It's easier than ever to travel around with style, and you'll be safe with its cutting-edge safety features. The most challenging of terrain dual suspension and remote start keep driving even more comfortable. 4-hour fast charge will have you back on the road in no time. The dual brake system ensures safety at every turn. 10-inch tires allow for better traction and control of the scooter. 50 kilometers with a power pack 400-watt motor specially designed to be portable. So you have more flexibility over where you can go, foldable for easy storage with an anti-theft alarm system. Number 9. Seawolf. This Seawolf intelligent high-pressure pump is your new best friend. It's smart and has a high-tech pump with its dual-cylinder technology. Seawolf inflates 30 faster dual-piston inflators, increases airflow, and ensures a stable constant pressure of 10,000 MHz. 21,700 lithium-ion battery is powerful enough to inflate 8 to 10 SCPS before needing to recharge. A dual-stage pump gives you the extra boost you need for faster inflation. Auto-off function prevents overfilling by shutting down automatically when your desired PSI is reached. Number 10. Ultrahuman Ring. This ring is the human body's most advanced metabolism tracker, capable of reading and recording your body's metrics to detect any anomalies that could be affecting your health with its efficient material composition. It can run all day long and track your food intake, skin temperature, heart rate, and more. Keep track of your sleep cycle to understand the different stages. Know your sleep index and compare with others. Easily access your sleep data and monitor your deep REM light and awake sleep cycles, water resistant up to 7 feet for a refreshing shower or swim. Get ready to be on top of your life like never before. Number 11. Meeda. This combines a smart table and a cold storage device to make outdoor and indoor activities more comfortable. This sleek and stylish design can keep everything from your drinks to your food chilled and fresh. It's perfect for parties, picnics, barbecues, or tailgates. It also has a beautiful rimmed edge to give it chic look that will make it the best addition to any event. Built-in LED light with a color temperature in order to give you the best possible light to be able to enjoy your food. The fridge can be controlled from your phone, so that food and drinks are always at the desired temperature. Solar panels will also help keep it powered up and running a wireless charger for your phone, in case you need some extra power on hand Bluetooth speakers for making camping trips more enjoyable. Number 12. Wearable headphone. This is the ultimate plug-and-play wireless air conduction headphones. It delivers unmatched sound quality that's so crystal clear. You'll forget you're wearing headphones with a fast-charging device. Smart noise cancellation features and an adjustable headband ensure comfort comfortably. Wear it all day long thanks to an ergonomically designed headband, which is soft and resilient to fit any shape of head. High-tech and lightweight headband with air conduction technology, ensuring a stable fit. Hit list design with air conduction technology that provides an incredible listening experience. Open ear design offers an incredible sound quality with a balance of ambient noise and hearing protection. Dual noise canceling microphones ensure clear conversations while reducing conversational noise. Number 13. Smart Tripod. This is an advanced remote camera controller in the world. It has a breeze intuitive single-touch interface precision handle that you can set up at a distance of 50 feet and control the camera remotely. The battery lasts for up to 8 hours on standby and 5.5 hours when running continuously. Explore the room with a panning range of 360 degrees, tilting range of 120 degrees. It is steady on its stand for optimal versatility in capturing footage from any angle. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.